Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Adidas Campus 80 Croptober. This shoe was released on April 20th, 2023 at a retail price of $110. The Adidas Campus 80's Croptober makes over the iconic sneaker in a tearaway design. Lime green laces secure the caramel hues synthetic upper, featuring a crinkled texture reminiscent of a blunt wrapper. Removing the exterior layer reveals a shaggy green suede, accented with color-matching suede on the heel tab and the iconic 3 stripes. Inside the shoe, a multicolored tie-dye print can be found on the sock liner and the interior of the tongue as well. Underpinning the sneaker is a semi-translucent rubber cup sole. As far as resale value, this shoe is performing as well as the Towley shoes from a while back, which is not very good. Most sizes can be purchased for under $200, some sizes even close to retail. I think this is another great shoe. I love how the concept of the shoe is to basically be resemblant of a rolled up blunt. It's a perfect shoe for 420 and stoners everywhere. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.